Hello and welcome to week 1 of the itSynergy Super Cyber U competition. I'm Michael Kokenauer, President and CEO of itSynergy. I'm also a certified ethical hacker, which means I've been trained as a hacker, but only use my powers for good instead of evil. My hope in launching this contest is to motivate you to take 8 small steps over the next few weeks that will dramatically improve the security of your technology world. With that, let's jump right into week 1. In order to take action on many of the things I'm going to ask you to do over the next several weeks, the first thing you're going to need is a good secure strategy to manage your passwords. So let's start with the first choice you need to make to complete this week's action: online or offline. When it comes to password management, online password managers are certainly convenient and are available on a wide variety of devices. On the other hand, if you routinely wear a tinfoil hat like I do, you may not trust the online vendors and decide you'd rather manage your passwords on a device you physically control. I'm going to tell you how to implement both options, but you only need to choose the best one for you and implement it this week. If you decide to go the online route, I'm asking you to choose a password manager and get signed up for an account this week. When you submit your contest entry, tell me which one you chose and why. Now, you could certainly go out and evaluate a dozen different managers, but to make it easy, I'd pick either LastPass, which is the one I have an account with, or Dashlane, since both have free options for personal use. Yes, there are others, so if you have a favorite, that's fine. What's important is that you choose one and get signed up for an account. My only ask is that when signing up, you choose a strong password that you have never used before. Although we'll dive more into how to come up with one of those next week, here's a quick trick timed for the start of football season. Pick your favorite player, their number, and a word or short phrase of encouragement. As an Arizona Cardinals fan, I might pick running back David Johnson, who is number 31, and make a password of RB Johnson number 31 - move the pile. If you're like me and you'd rather not trust your best secrets to an online service, then the answer for you is to download and install KeePass from keepass.info. You'll want to install the program onto a USB drive, preferably an encrypted USB, which, by the way, you can win at the end of this contest, and create a new database. The steps are pretty straightforward, but you can watch my 15-minute step-by-step webinar at itsynergy.com/password manager if you want to walk through. We'll use the password manager you set up in this week's episode in other episodes going forward, so make sure to get this done right away so that you can leverage it as we move forward. By the time we're done, your password manager will be full of goodies. So there you have it. Week 1 is done. Once you have your password manager set up, make sure to click the link in the email you received to report your results. Tell me what you chose and why. Then stay tuned for next week when we'll talk about tips and tricks for creating passwords that are secure, but also easy to read and remember. Thanks for watching.